So today's video is all about balance. If you do not have good balance, we always trip, fall over, and get injured. As we get older, we lose our balance. So why don't we just include some yoga practice into the day-to-day life to improve our balance so we can live healthier and longer? So today's practice is all about balance. Just 5 to 10 minutes practice every single day, and you will see the massive difference in your balance. So just get your mat and water if you like, and let's start practice with me. So first, we will start with a standing posture. So your feet shoulder width apart, hands to the side, palms open, shoulder relaxed, eyes closed. Let's take deep inhale. Slow and gentle exhale. Let go all the heaviness. Another deep inhale to energize your body and mind. Let go, exhale. Promise to yourself to be present throughout the practice. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Join your both hands together. And let's start with the opening prayer. Take a deep inhale. Slow exhale. And open your mouth. Chant Om together. Om. Relax your arms, your hands, and come front of your mat. Now again, observe your feet pointing forward, shoulder width apart, arms relaxed. Inhale, hands up. Join your both hands front of your chest, and let's take your entire consciousness towards your right leg. Balance on your right leg, lift your left foot off the mat. Try to hold up to 90 degrees. If you can't hold here, just keep your foot off the mat and listen to your body wherever you are today. Hold your balance here. Fix your gauge. When you fix your gauge, you will never lose your balance. For holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your leg. Now balancing on our left leg. Inhale. Entire consciousness towards our left leg. Lift your right foot off the mat. Fix your gauge. Holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your right leg. Hands on your waist into power posture. So chest open. Power posture, feet shoulder width apart. Balancing on a right leg, left foot off the mat. Fix your gauge. Extend your leg forward, flex your foot. Drop your leg, balance on your left. Lift your right leg off the mat, fix your gauge. Once you're ready, extend your leg, flex your foot. Hold and drop. You can feel the muscles when you balance. Now again, both feet shoulder width apart. Hands front of your chest. Take your hips back and come to chair. Holding here. And lift up. Now again, hands on your waist, and this time we'll balance on our toes. Fix your gauge, lift your both heels off the mat. Holding here. Drop your right heel, bend your left knee. Lift your right heel off the mat, drop your left heel. Now again, balance on your both heels together, both toes together, heels off the mat. Holding here. If you like, you can keep your hands sideways, palms facing down. Drop your right heel and drop your left. Both hands front of your chest, balancing on our toes, taking our hips back, and let's hold here just for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your both hands, drop your heels. Take your right leg back. Left foot forward, making sure our knee and foot is in one line. Now, back foot is a 90-degree and heel off the mat, balancing on our toes. Hands front of our chest. Fix your gaze again. Hold. Let's pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on the mat. Take your left leg back. Balance on your toes. Right leg forward. Making sure knee and foot is in one line. Hands front of your chest. Feel the strength of your legs. Inhale. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Hands on the mat. Take your leg back. Coming to plank. Walk your feet forward. Hands front of our chest. Now, lift your left foot off the mat and try to keep your foot towards your inner thigh, towards right side. If you're not comfortable there, you can always shift your foot below your knee. So we are not placing our foot between a joint. So either down or up. Hold. Fix your gaze. And drop. Let's try another leg. Balance on your left leg completely. Fix your gaze. Focus on your breath. Slowly and gently drop. Relax into Samasthiti. Eyes closed. Shoulder relaxed. Feel the gentle sensation on your legs. Feel your muscles activating. You're giving more blood flow to your muscles. Connect with yourself, connect with your body. Be more aware of yourself. You can stay in this posture for as long as you want. One hand on heart and one hand on the heart. Feel the heartbeat. And relax. That's enough for today. If you will include this practice into your day-to-day life, you will see a massive difference in balance. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Namaste.